It's 6:30 a.m. as this container vessel nears the port of Long Beach. The captain and crew have done everything they can to ensure the safe, timely delivery of thousands of cargo containers filled with clothing, toys, shoes, and other goods. They're still more than 40 nautical miles out, but local crews dockside are already preparing to unload her. Not far away on Point Fermin in San Pedro, the Marine Exchange picks up the vessel on radar and contacts the captain.
Good morning, Captain. You're entering a voluntary speed reduction zone. We ask that you reduce your speed to 12 knots.
And contrary to the time is money creed of the shipping industry, the captain slows down. He knows he's participating in the port's Green Flag Air Quality Program. By slowing down off the coast, the ship will burn less fuel and greatly reduce diesel emissions. The result? Cleaner air locally.
We're concerned with the local area. Our people who work with us live here, their children live here, and we want to make the best impression we can that we're doing all we can do to reduce pollution.
Under the program, vessel operators whose fleets reach 90% participation throughout the year enjoy 15% dockage fee discounts and are awarded green flags that signify their participation. And for the last 3 years, the program has been a major success. In 2008, more than 90% of all vessels traveling within 20 miles of the port slowed down to 12 knots for a staggering 650-ton reduction in harmful emissions. Building on that success, the Long Beach Board of Harbor Commissioners recently voted to continue the Green Flag program for another year and added a second expanded incentive. For vessels that participate in a new slowdown zone extending out 40 miles from Point Fermin, the board is offering a dockage fee discount of 25%.
The reason for that is that in order to slow down the vessels, they risk being late for their labor starts and keeping on schedule. So this incentive is to help offset those additional costs so that they can be good to the environment.
And although the incentive is enticing for fleet operators, it's still a voluntary program, and many who choose to participate do so because they want to improve the health of our communities. The port currently spends about $1.5 million per year on the existing Green Flag program and may invest about $4 million per year for the expanded program. The importance of increasing the slowdown zone to 40 miles really is the impact on our air quality.
The emission reductions, for instance, on NOx, which is roughly about 650 tons of NOx reduced every year at 20 miles, it goes well over 1,370 tons, or over double the emission reductions. And the same is the case for the sulfur dioxide and particulate matter that we desperately want to reduce as quickly as possible.
Port commissioners want to reduce air pollution as much as possible, but understanding that the transition to a 40-mile speed reduction zone may be a challenging logistical task for some vessels, as well as the longshoremen, trucking, and rail companies who are impacted by the slowdown, the 20-mile incentive program will still be an option for them.
We want to maintain the very successful base of the 20-mile program and then reach out for the incremental air emission reductions at 40 miles.
The Green Flag Air Quality Program is simple, effective, and flexible enough to enlist the enthusiastic participation of vessel operators and will help to make 2009 a high watermark year for air quality improvements. Slowing down for cleaner air. It's the common sense approach to air quality improvements. And as vessels continue to participate, we'll all reap the benefits. Next, we're going to speed things up. The adrenaline-fueled style of auto racing known as drifting recently met its match when it came to the Port of Long Beach. You don't want to miss this.